Welcome to Carnation Island Gardens in Centenary City, Enugu, where your dream home begins. Imagine owning a piece of paradise in the best location of Centenary City, in the heart of Centenary City. Carnation Island Gardens offers exclusive duplex plots of 500 square meters, perfectly sized for your dream residence. Now, with limited plots available, this is the best opportunity to invest or buy in a prime and rapidly growing location. Surrounded by lush landscapes and a serene environment, Carnation Island Gardens is the ideal place to create a home that reflects your unique style and taste. This is amazing for you. You can enjoy the amazing benefits of a well-planned community, complete with modern infrastructure, security, and proximity to key city landmarks. Don't miss out on the chance to own a slice of luxury and comfort in one of Enugu's most sought-after locations. This is the best time for you to purchase a property in Centenary City, especially when it is affordable, and you can get to resell it in the next 1-2 years for at least 50 to 60 million naira if you don't want to build your dream home in this location. You can go ahead and call me right now on the number above to secure your plots today, as there are only few plots left in this amazing estate. Happy investing and see you on the next one. Bye.